Ngayon po ay pag-aaral natin tungkol sa composition of functions. Okay, we have the definition. It's the process of obtaining a composite function. Okay, we let f and g be any two functions. The composition function, denoted by f circle g, is the function defined by f circle g of x equals f of g of x. Ang pagbasa po nitong circle ha, f circle g or f compose g. Hindi po ito multiplication operation. Ang nasa multiplication shaded, ito ay open circle. Ang ibig sabihin nito na composition of function, when f compose g of x, ang tatandaan nyo lang, itong pangalawang function, yan ang magiging value na isusubstitute nyo sa independent variable or sa variable x ng unang function. Okay. Let's have an example. Given the two functions, f of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. Find f circle g. Ano ang gagawin natin dito? We define first the given two functions. F of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. Ang definition natin ay f circle g of x equals f of g of x. Pag ganito f circle g of x ang pinapakompute, ang tatandaan nyo lang, yung pangalawang function, yun ang iso-substitute sa x ng naunang function. Itong x ng 2x, itong x papalitan ng x minus 4. Kaya ang mangyayari ay, sabi ito, the second function is the domain of the first function. Nagets na? Itong second function na x minus 4, yan ang ipapalit sa x ng f. So magiging 2 times the quantity of x minus 4. Itong x minus 4, yan ang x ng f, 2x. 2x, yung x palitan ng x minus 4. And then, we distribute kasi times siya. 2 times x and then 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. Yan ang sagot. And f circle g of x equals 2x minus 8. Okay, another example. Suppose we have the given two functions, pareho ang given, f of x equals 2x and g of x equals x minus 4. This time, nabaliktad na, nauna no yung g. G circle f of x ang hahanapin natin. Always write first the given and write the formula. G of f of x equals g of f of x. Ang ibig sabihin, ito na ngayon ang g. Ang pangalawang function natin ay f. Yan na ang isusubstitute natin sa x ng g. Okay, itong x ng g papalitan natin ng 2x. So magiging 2x minus 4. Tanda na? Nagets na? Ang second function, yan ang iso-substitute sa x ng naunang function which is g. So itong 2x, ipapalit dito sa x na kulay blue. Magiging 2x minus 4. And then, alisin lang natin ang parenthesis ng 2x. So 2x minus 4, that's already in lowest term. And that's the final answer. G circle f of x equals 2x minus 4. Tama? Yan ang sagot, class. Another example. Suppose our f is 4x minus 5 and our g is x squared plus 4. Find f compose g. Okay, f circle g of x. Now write the given. We have f of x 4x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared plus 4. At ang pinapahanap ay f circle g. Ang second function natin ay x squared plus 4. Yan ang ipapalit sa x ng f meaning yung katabi ng 4. Magiging 4 times the quantity. 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 4 at kukopyahin itong negative 5. Negative 5. And then, we distribute 4 inside the parenthesis. 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times positive 4 is positive 16 at kukopyahin yung negative 5. Now, simplify. Ang pwede lang dito is simplify yung positive 16 and negative 5. But unlike sign, 16 minus 5 is 11. And the sign of 11 is positive. Bakit positive? 16 is bigger than 5. So we have 11. Now, our final answer, f circle g of x equals 4x squared plus 11. Tama. Yan ang sagot. Okay, tingnan natin yung kabaliktaran. Pareho ang given natin na function, f of x equals 4x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared plus 4. But this time, we are going to find g circle f. Baliktad siya. Always write first the given at yung requirement, yung pinapahanap, g circle f. Ang second function na natin ngayon ay f. Itong f na ngayon po na 4x minus 5, yan ang iso-substitute dito sa x sa g. Remember, ang x ng g natin ay may square. So meaning, i-square natin itong 4x minus 5. We have 4x minus 5 squared plus 4. Plus 4. Kinopya lang ha? Square of a binomial. So in our previous lesson, tinuro ko na kung paano ang shortcut ng squaring binomial. Meaning 4x minus 5 times 4x minus 5. Pagsagot lang nito ay you square the first term. 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times negative 5 times 2. Ang ginagawa ko lang ito, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10 times 4x. Negative 10 times 4x is negative 40x. And then negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Or, you can apply distributive property. 4x times 4x, 16x squared. 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x. Negative 5 times 4x is negative 20. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Then bring down 4 and simplify. So, 16x squared, walang kapareho, kokopyahin lang natin. But then negative 20 and negative 20 are similar. And the same sign, copy the sign and add the number. 20 plus 20 is 40. Just copy the variable x. Then 25 and 4 are similar. We can add, copy the sign kasi adding the same sign is add the number and copy the common sign. That is why positive 29. Okay. How to evaluate composition function? Okay, so we have the given f of x equals 4x minus 5 and g of x equals x squared plus 4. Evaluate f compose g when x is equal to 2. Okay, there are two ways on how to solve it. Una, ang una dito ay we directly substitute. Tandaan ha, f circle g, pag nagda-directly substitute tayo, f circle g when x is 2, yung 2, i-evaluate muna natin sa second function. Remember, yung second function ang sinosubstitute sa first function. So therefore, sa given, di ba, sa given natin, f circle g of 2, itong 2, i-evaluate muna natin sa g. Then, yung sagot, i-evaluate naman natin sa f. Ganun po yon. So, in this case, itong 2, isa-substitute natin sa x ng g. So, we have 2 squared is 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay? So, g of 2 is 8. Tapos, itong 8 naman, yan ang magiging x ng f as our second step. F of 8. Hindi na siya f of 2. Kung ano yung sagot sa G, yun ang magiging domain or yun ang magiging value ng x sa f. So itong 8 ang ipapalit natin sa x dito sa 4x minus 5. Magiging 4 times 8 minus 5. We multiply first. 4 times 8 is 32 minus 5 is 27. So yan na po ang sagot ng f circle G of 2 which is equal to 27. Ang another method niyan ay kukunin muna natin ang f circle G bago tayo mag-substitute. So, ang G natin ay x squared plus 4. Yan ang magiging value. Substitute sa x ng f. So, magiging 4 times the quantity of x squared plus 4. Then, minus 5. Then, we distribute 4x squared. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus 5 is 11. Saka tayo magsusubstitute ng f circle G evaluated when x is 2. Okay? Magsusubstitute na tayo dito. Ayan, ganyan o. So, yung 4x squared plus 11 as the composition of f and g. So, yung x ay papalitan ng 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 4 is 16. Plus 11 is 27. If you notice, we have the same answer. So, thank you.